Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to calculate current month and previous month sales. So how to compare both, we are going to see in today's video. So before going to that, please try to watch all my previous videos. So I'm going to explain different examples with the different scenarios, so different functions. So try to watch all videos so that you'll get more understanding in DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand that today's video demo. So before getting into these three pages, so we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established and what are the tables I have imported into the Excel. Okay, so we have imported dim customer, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, product category, subcategory, internet sale. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel. And also we'll try to look at what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. Okay, go to the model tab. So just collapse and try to navigate further. So now we can see that we have established a relationship between the dimension and fact table. So I'll try to take the snipping. So here, we have already established a relationship between the dimension tables and fact table. So this is the fact table and the remaining all are dimension table. So now if you look at closely, the way we have established a relationship is like one direction to many direction. Even you can notice one direction to the many direction, right? One direction to many. It means that the filter of propagation has been flowing from one direction to many direction. It means that from dimension table to the fact table, like that we have established. Even we can enable the multi-direction. It means that we can enable the both the direction also based on the requirement. But in today's demo purpose, I have established like a single direction only, not both the direction. So likewise, I have established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. So one video separately I'll talk on this topic. So that day I'll try to cover all kind of options. So different examples in the relation, how to auto direct, manually how to create. So we're going to see in the upcoming session. For time being, try to understand. So that's what is relationship, and I'll go to the report tab. Here what I'm doing here, so based on the current month and the previous month sales, how to calculate and how to calculate the difference between the previous month sales and current month sales. Okay, for example, so if you look at here, so in 2002, so each month wise we have sales. Okay, each month wise we have sales. So in January month this much, February and March, April, something like that, up to December month we have sales. But if you want to calculate previous month sales in 2002, so for that I have created a separate measure. So in this measure, so for February month we have January sales, for March month we have February sales, for April month we have for April month we have March sales, for May month we have April sales. Like that we have calculated the previous month sales with respect to the current month. Okay, and finally we are taking the difference between the current month and the previous month sales. Okay, so for that I have created two measures. So I'll try to show that current, so previous month sales, how to calculate. I'll try to zoom it. So if you see here, based on the calculate sum x and the filter functions, I'm trying to calculate the previous month sales based on the selection. So here I'm taking the, with respect to the current year, I'm taking the previous month, right? So like that I have written the expression. So it gives the previous month sales with respect to any kind of slicing, dicing. For example, if you go to 2 and 3, so it gives 34,000. In 2004 also it gives, because in 2004 we have sales up to July month only. So for that reason we don't have September, October, November, something like that. Okay, only we have sales up to July month. In 2003 we have entire year data, so you can see that. And the sales difference measure, I have created some conditional formatting for font color, so I'll try to show that also. So go to here, click on conditional formatting, font color. So it's opening window. So if you see here, by taking the diverging, so if it is in a lowest number means you will get this color, if it is in between means you will get this color, if it is the highest value means you will get this color. So like that we enable the conditional formatting for the difference between the current month and previous month sales. Even you can slice based on the category wise also, we can do whatever filter we can do it, no problem. See, we'll get it. So this is the table. Okay, this is the table. We'll go to the some charts so that will visually it will be more clear. So here, so I have month axis. So based on month, I want to see the current month and previous month. So for example, if you look at here, in 2003 this is the month wise as well as previous month sales. In 2002, in 2004 we have basically up to July only. For current month we don't have sales, only previous month, that means July month sales only here into. So likewise we can see the data, how the which month is performing more, whether it is previous month or current month based on the respective year. And also we'll go to the different page. So in this we are looking at a date level. See, so far we have discussed about month level, but in date level how to calculate the previous month sales. For example, in this case we have two slices, one is year as well as month. So in this selection, so based on the today with respect to the date we have the sales, right? So for example, in 2002 January, 1st January, 2nd January, 3rd January. So likewise we have the sales. So this is the previous month sales. Okay, so for example, if we click on April, so this is the April sale. So this one is comes as a March sales. So for getting the difference, I have subtracted from the current month sales to previous month sales, and finally I have enabled the conditional formatting. If it is negative, I mean if it is negative means, so we'll get this symbol. If it is positive means you'll get this symbol. So I have enabled the conditional formatting like this. And also we have separate chart for this line chart, so to visually understand which month is better performing, which month is not performing, based on comparing to the previous month and the current month selection. So you can select so it will keep and give that. Okay, so for that for this measure how I written the expression, I'll try to show that. Previous month sales, previous month sales. See, so previous month I have taken date add function, so I'm taking 1 month back for the current month selection. So based on that I'm checking if the sales were current sales are blank means return the blank, otherwise what are the variable I have declared. So same expression it will return execute here. And also while calculating the difference also we are validating if the current sales as well as the previous month sales blank means return the blank. Because if you have one is blank, another one have sales means no need to take the difference. So that is the reason, if both are, if any one of them blank means, so return the blank. If both having the sales, then only take the difference, then we'll get some good analysis on this. Okay, so likewise I have designed this report. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, so you can send me an email, drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for other videos.